Hello everyone, let's now see what are developer tools. So I have taken the same code that we have written in our previous video, wherein we were having three elements h1, h2 and p, and we have seen different kinds of selectors, and we have applied some CSS using different selectors. So this is the current style that we have applied to it. Let's see how it is looking on our browser. So right now this is our current content. Okay, so now let's see what is meant by developer tools. So once I right click it and click on inspect, then this developer tools open for me, and right now we are on this elements tab. So what we can do is, suppose if we have to style this particular h2, right, h2 line, that is, this is a h2. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on this select element option, and then I'm going to select this. Once I select this, now here you can see there different styles that are automatically being applied by the browser, but we do not have applied any style on this h2. That is why in the element.style you cannot see anything. But instead of selecting this, if I am selecting this h1, you can see that here h1 and p, there are styles that are being applied. So suppose if I want that this h1 should have a background color of red. Okay, so background color of red. So what I can do is, I can apply the CSS here itself. Okay, so you can see it has applied red background to both h1 and p, because we have taken the group selector and we are targeting h1 and p together. That is why we have now applied red background to both of them. So this is very helpful while you are like doing CSS work, because what happens is, you might have to do hit and trial, and you might have to see whether a particular thing is looking good or not on your screen. So you can go this way, and finally once you have satisfaction that yes, this is the style that I want to achieve, then what you can do is, you can copy this code and you can paste it in your VS Code or code editor. So first of all, I'm going to copy it. Why this is important? Because if let me copy it first. So I have copied it. Now because this is not saved, once I refresh this page, you can see all the styles has gone that we have added over here, right? Because in the HTML video itself, you might have seen that there is a concept of client and server side. Once we refresh the page, a new request is being sent to the server, and that is why all the details that are saved in the code editor will only be displayed. So let's update this. Okay, so this is the copied code, and now once we go to our web browser and refresh it, you can see the styles are now applied. Now once even I refresh it, this will be there itself. So this is a very important tool. Developer tools are very important if we have to do like this kind of work. So I hope now you are clear with the developer tools. If you have any more doubts, let me know in the comment section, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in next video.